Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use customer and vendor-related lists in Zoho Inventory. This feature allows you to create custom data views within your customer or vendor profiles, making it easier to track important information and streamline your workflow. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and navigate to zoho.com/inventory. Once you're there, log into your Zoho Inventory account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can access all your inventory management tools. Now look toward the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon. This is your settings menu, and it's where you'll find all the configuration options for your Zoho Inventory account. Clicking this icon will open up a menu with various settings categories. In the settings area, locate the module settings section. Under the general tab, click on customer and vendor. This section is specifically designed to help you customize how you manage relationships with your customers and vendors, giving you more control over the information you track. From the top menu, you'll see several options available. Go ahead and select Related Lists. This is where you can view all existing related lists and create new ones tailored to your business needs. To create a new related list, click the plus New button. A prompt will appear asking you to choose between customer-related list or vendor-related list. Select the option that matches the type of data you want to display. This choice determines where your custom list will appear within your Zoho Inventory interface. Next, enter a title for your related list in the list name field. Choose something descriptive that clearly indicates what data this list will display. This name will be visible to users who have access to the list, so make it meaningful and easy to understand. After naming your list, you'll need to define the visibility settings. Select which users can see this related list. This is important for maintaining proper access control and ensuring that sensitive information is only visible to authorized team members. Now comes the technical part. Write or paste a Deluge script into the provided field to fetch the relevant data from Zoho Inventory or third-party services. This script determines what information appears in your related list and how it's organized. If you're not familiar with Deluge scripting, you can consult Zoho's documentation or work with a developer to create the appropriate script. Finally, click Save or Save and Execute to run the script and create the related list. The related list will now appear in the relevant customer or vendor profiles, giving you quick access to the custom data you've configured, and there you have it. You've successfully set up a customer or vendor-related list in Zoho Inventory, giving you better visibility into your business relationships. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.